Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making taco rice. This Mexican-themed rice bowl dish was first served at a restaurant near a U.S. military base in Okinawa in the 1980s, and it quickly became very popular. Although this is something they thought to be like the flavors of Mexico or America, its taste is very much altered to Japanese liking. These are the ingredients. We kept it rather simple, similar to how this dish is made in Japan. However, if you are like us who would like the flavor to be more like Mexican or American tacos, you might want to add more spices, such as cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper, or use taco seasoning if available, and of course you can replace ketchup with tomato sauce. First, we are going to cut vegetables. Shred the lettuce, cut tomato into half-inch cubes, and we do the same for avocado. And chop onion finely and crush tortilla chips into coarse pieces. Now heat the oil in a frying pan with minced garlic. When the pan gets hot, add the ground beef and cook at medium-high heat, breaking apart with spatula. When the meat turns color, add the onion and cook until onion is tender, stirring frequently. Now we are going to season with the salt, ketchup, and Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of chili powder, and cook for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly. For some reason, people in Japan love to use the ketchup and Worcestershire sauce combo. No judgment. Place steamed rice on a plate and top with lettuce and tomato and avocado. Then put the cooked meat, shredded cheese, and finally the tortilla chips on top. This interestingly creative Okinawan local dish is served all over Japan these days at coffee shops and family restaurants. It's also super easy to make at home. Give this a try for a quick lunch or dinner. 美味しい。美味しいね。